Two African mineralogical mysteries include the famous booming and rolling sands. Large sandbanks run along the steep slopes of the Sinai Peninsula's Jebel Nagous peak. When the sands tumble down one of these slopes, known as Witsand's Bell Slope, they make thunderous booming noises. The sand has very fine spherical grains of quartz and calcareous sandstone. The sound was characterized as a melodic tone approximating the lowest bass note of an organ with a tremolo stop by the investigator H. Carrington Walton. Witsand nature in the Kalahari Desert has roaring sands. When pushed up in a heaped-up manner, the white sand dunes of Witsand make a roaring sound. Extremely hot and dry conditions are required for the roar to be heard. As a result, summer is the greatest time to witness this phenomena.